Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water tank and the filter head assembly in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water tank and a filter head assembly. The water tank and the filter head assembly is located inside the refrigerator, inside the rear wall. It provides a convenient mount for the water filter and stores water to allow it to chill before dispensing. The main reason for the assembly replacement would be a water leak. Turn the water supply off and disconnect the water line to the fridge. Open the refrigerator doors. Remove the shelves on the right side. Press the lever and pull down the cover. Unscrew the water filter, turning it counterclockwise, and then remove it. Push the cover hinge off the hinge pin on either side and slide the cover out. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the top vertical slots on the bottom cover and push it inwards to unlock the tabs. Using the same screwdriver, unlock the two center tabs by pushing them down. Open the cover, rock it side to side to free the bottom tabs and remove the cover. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the center slot in the upper cover. Push it up to release the tab. Lift off the upper cover. Have a towel ready at the bottom. We may have some water dripping down from the tubes. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the forward slots in the filter head base housing and push inwards to free the tabs. Drop down the filter base housing and pull it forward to release the rear tabs. Release the tube from the retainer on the left. Press the locking skirt down at the top of the water inlet valve and pull out the tube. Remove the tube support bracket. Press in the tab and remove the filter head from the bracket. Place the towel on the floor under the inlet tube. Then, using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the single screw that holds the tube to the rear access panel. After that, we can remove the 7 screws that hold the panel. Slide out the power cord. And remove the access panel. Clean the access panel grill for better airflow. Remove the plastic retainer clip. Starting left to right, spread the tank and remove it from the retainers. Pull the inlet tube in. This is the old water tank and the filter head assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Remove the towel. Feed the inlet tube into the hole at the bottom. Install the new tank onto the retainers. Install the tube support. Snap the filter base on the filter head. Using the flat blade screwdriver, release the water inlet valve. Push the tube into the water inlet valve. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Press the water inlet valve into the mounting bracket. Install the water line in the holder. Lock in the filter base in the ceiling. Remove the bypass cap from the filter base. Install the upper cover. Install the lower cover. Install the water filter cover on the hinge pin from one side, slightly bend open the cover and hook it onto the second hinge pin. Install the water filter in and turn it clockwise. Latch the cover. Install the shelves. Now we can close the doors. Remove the red protective cover. Snap on the plastic retainer clip. Install the access panel. Make sure the water line is outside. Slide the power cord into the cutout. Secure the access panel with the 7 1/4-inch screws. Secure the water inlet line to the access panel with a single 1/4-inch screw. Reconnect the water supply line to the refrigerator. Turn the water on, plug the fridge in, press the water lever and allow the water tank to fill up. Check for leaks inside and at the back of the fridge. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.